VF is, well, the swan-song for Holden. We know they're shutting their doors in 2017 and they'll do a Series 2, but it's the end of the line. The SSV with 6 litre V8, alloy, 270 kilowatts with a 6-speed manual gearbox. There's more tech in this thing than you can poke a stick at, and what a machine it is. Turns on a dime, it handles beautifully, it's a great cruiser on the freeway, and it's ridiculously good on fuel. Everyone thinks big thirsty V8, but this thing sips. It's a high-tech, beautiful machine. I've had an absolute ball. In fact, I love it so much I'm going to buy one. I have to stress to anyone who is listening to us, you've got to get one of these things. Beautiful cruiser, they're a sports machine, beautiful way to say goodbye to Holden. Over the last couple of days, we've walked through history. We've been around 10 cars which have perfectly represented Holden, and all of their ingenuity, their design, their prowess, everything they've done culminates into the VF, and it's the perfect signature on a fantastic company, a fantastic brand.
I knew she was the one. The heart's going a million miles an hour, the mouth's dry. It's love, mate. Pure and simple. In '71, this was the fastest 4-door car in the world. Back then, you could pick one up for a bit over $4,000. Insurance, it's got to be Shannon's.
No one knows your passion like Shannon's. And with our multi-vehicle discount, you can even cover your daily drive. So call Shannon's on 13 46 46. Shannon's, insurance for motoring enthusiasts.